Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. In this video, we are going to share with you how you can manage your your outstanding prayers. Uh, Normally, uh, it is required that we should have some system, some discipline in our life, some tool which will help us to manage the performance of our salah. Because salats are the prayers which are 5 times mandatory prescribed for every Muslim. These are not for just for given that once you say I'm sorry and I do the tawbah and that's it. No, tawbah is good. That's fine. Tawbah is a nice thing. You can do it, and you should do it. But tawbah is to be effective, and the tawbah is agreed. The pardon uh, is granted by Allah Subhanahu wa Taala with some conditions. The condition is that you take a firm promise. You promise that next time you will not miss your conduct, and you will not do the sins. And some sins are that which have to be offset by some of your actions, right? For example, take the example of salats. So salats. For this, you have to do the tawbah. For a Muslim, a Muslim has to first of all make the tawbah, and that he hasn't been performing the salah. The next day, he makes the promise that next time from today onwards, I'm ready to perform the 6 salats daily. The five plus one is 6. 5 salats. That is Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. And the Witr is the 6th salah. So 6 salats per day so have to be done from now onwards. Now, how about the salats which you have missed? So you are supposed to perform those salats, 6 salats, uh, on the first salah to be performed first. Means first salah which you have missed. For example, you missed the first salah in on 30th of April 1977. So today is 6th May. Tomorrow, when you perform these 6 prayers, then you will write 7th salah, 7th of May here, and the 6th will be written, of course. There can be no other figure in here, right? So let's not write 6 in here. Six should appear automatically, right? So what we do here is that hmm, we write a formula hmm, that 6 should appear if there is a date mentioned in here. If this is not equal to space, that is a date, right? If yeah, is not equal to space, then 6. Otherwise, a space. Okay? Otherwise, a space. So this should be the formula to get you 6 in here. Okay, we remove these hard-coded 6 in here, and all we need to do next time when we perform this prayer, we just put a date in here, and our next salah, which was overdue, which was outstanding, is entered by the system automatically, right? As soon so, if we copy this downwards until we have until the all the slash, right? Hang on. Let me take it back here. Okay. What we do is just copy this formula so that we don't have to write any 6 anymore in here. Okay. So that's it. And we paste. Now, as soon as you enter a date in here, tomorrow will be 7, right? So we say days plus 1. So the 6 will automatically appear here. We have not performed it, so we removed. Okay. So as soon as you enter a new date in here, so you prayed, the prayers which you have performed, they are incremented with 6, right? And if you pray more than, uh, you can pray more than one day's prayer. Okay. So for example, tomorrow you pray, that is say 7th of May. Tomorrow is 7th of May here in Pakistan. So what we do, if we prayed 3 days prayers. Yeah? So 3 days prayer, outstanding prayers you perform. So this is yeah, this will get updated. Okay. So since we are not we have to do perform we have to perform the prayers tomorrow, so we do not write it as soon as uh, when we enter any activity in here, so this the six should come automatically, right? And this is fair enough. This is uh, every day when you get a new date in here, so you get a six automatically. So we say equal to if. So this can be, this formula can be written in here right from here, equal to if this is not equal to space, then six, because that is due, right? Otherwise, blank. Okay. So this is going to be our formula for the dues. Today, up till now, until 6th of May, you have 107,430 prayers which were due. Out of them, you have prayed 62,124 prayers. Okay, so the overdue prayers are 45,306. These are the prayers. So divided by six. If you divide by six, so how many days prayers? So you have 7,551 days prayers outstanding. And if you divide it by 360, so you get the year. 21 years prayers have to be performed. Okay, so this will increase a sense of urgency, a sense of responsibility for a practicing Muslim, that he has got such a backlog. So he would increase his praying, and would for sure like to overcome this problem by performing as much as possible. So we have a success story of a man who passed away a few years back. He had 18 years prayers outstanding on his account. So what he did, uh, he got shocked, and he got the sense of urgency in him 3 years before his death. So in the 3 years, he made sure that every day he performs at least six prayers. Okay, 6 days prayers every day. So apart from the regular prayer, which uh, which is six for every day, so six additional days prayer he started, and in 3 years he covered 18 years prayers in 3 years, just by regularly uh, performing this, and then he passed away. So that was the success story for this. He must have been rejoicing. He must be very glad for got reminded by the scholars with whom he had a session, and they advised him that there is no way other than that you perform the prayers as early as possible. So he did it before he passed away. He within 3 years he covered the backlog of 18 years prayers. So I thought that why not we use Excel to for these people, for all those my brothers who want the advice that how they can manage and start doing. So on daily basis, open the file and enter how many prayers have you did? Have you done? If you have done tomorrow, say 5 days prayers, so you just write 5 days. Yeah, you just select these 3, 4, 5 and types the date. Say tomorrow is 7th of May, right? 7th of May, that's it. And press Control Enter. That's it. So you will get it done, and the figures will automatically be get updated. That your prayed figure will increase, overdue figures will decrease. But you have to make sure that on daily basis you are praying regularly, right? Not that you are keeping your backlog piling up on you, and otherwise that would be no use for you. Yeah. So this is a tool which you can make, and then use of VBA can be done for more automating it and giving you, letting you have some graphical presentation of the views and backlog, and the prayers which were due, the prayers which were performed, and the prayers which are overdue. So you can make a pie chart as well. Like, so you can select this here and then say insert a pie chart, right? Say, you can say, yeah, this one. And you say, okay, I want a pie chart like this, or let's say, yeah, okay. So that's it. So this is your pie chart ready, and you can see this. So that you are that much were due, you have paid that much, and your overdue counts. So as you are clearing your backlog, so this will go away, and your paid will be equal to the or the due. Yeah, and this overdue will go away. Okay, thank you very much for watching.